friends. So here's the vlog that I told you guys. Why do I keep saying that? I told you guys I would be filming for you in terms of like just random stuff. I don't really know exactly when this will be going up, but I just want to share with you a couple things that I got recently. And yeah, and I wanted to show you Mrs. Butterworth too. Kind of give you her story in case any of you guys were interested. But yeah, it's actually been a very chill morning. It's my Saturday because at my tech company, it's a 24/7 kind of business company. We have to work weekends most of the time, so my weekends are Thursdays and Fridays, and today's actually a very special Thursday because my boyfriend last minute is flying back from Asia for a few days to just pick up some stuff before he heads back for another couple weeks. But I haven't seen him in literally like 2.5 months, and it's been pretty rocky, I'm not gonna lie, especially in January and February. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm actually going to be picking him up in like an hour. That's crazy to me. But in the meantime, I thought I would maybe just kind of show you around my apartment. And yeah, let's go. To the left, first of all, is Maple's food station. And then we have my table, my little like office random area with my whiteboard and her stuff. And yeah, pretty simple. I like keeping my, oh sorry, that's like a bowl of noodles that's embarrassing. Why is that there? I just like to keep my kitchen I like to keep my whole apartment very tidy. I mean, I'm someone who wakes up at 5:30 every morning to be at work at 6:30, and I still make my bed every day. Okay, so this is my fridge with a lot of random stuff. And this is actually my shot glass collection. I don't know if you guys remember in my 48 Facts About Me, I mentioned that I love collecting shot glasses. So you can see here I have them from literally everywhere, from Shanghai, Montreal, Vegas before when I was a tourist, more Shanghai, Hawaii. This is from Seattle, Milan, Italy, Miami. I think this is the California one. More California, San Francisco, New York. Like, I just love collecting shot glasses from places I've traveled or places my friends or family have traveled, and I'll ask them to bring those back for me. So then we go to the right and we have like my living area. And that's Maple. She loves sitting on the couch. And this is my couch. Hey, mommy's trying to film a video. Can she film a video, please? Thank you. This fake plant is probably my favorite thing in the entire room. I just love like this little nice green bamboo tree. Just adds like an element of, I don't know, nature to my place. Coffee table, rug. I love my little TV stand. Keep my candle collection there. My mantle. My uncle actually painted this painting, which I really love. That's from Home Goods. A lot of these decorations are from Home Goods. And Maple's bed is right here, and then her bone, and she loves playing with her rope, and then the rest of her toys I keep in that bin. And yeah, this is where I hang out the most, honestly. And also, this is my patio where Maple, it's kind of a gloomy day outside right now, but Maple will sunbathe here, and I'll chill out with her here to read a book, or you know, just to kind of get my tan on. And it's a gloomy day right now, and it's obviously rainy, so we're not out there right now, but every day I come home from work I let her outside and she loves it. And then going into my bathroom, nothing special, it's just a little bathroom. I love my new shower curtain though. I got it at Home Goods. This is laundry, boring. And this is my bedroom where you guys see me film all of my videos. That's my vanity where I film at. Spoiler alert, yay. And my ring light. Yeah, I really love my bedroom a lot. I think it's very cohesive. I just have my bed. I got my bed from Wayfair. I got my cover from Amazon, comforter. Nightstands are from Ashley Furniture, as well as this dresser. My vanity is from Amazon. And yeah, I love my little like pictures. And this board is actually something that's really special to me because I just love hanging up all of my photos of my friends, my family back home. And this is my nightstand. I want to show you guys this. I recently just got this. It's magnesium oil. It's supposed to be really good for helping you sleep and stay asleep and with muscle pain. I tried it last night, but my boyfriend was coming into town, so like I was too excited and I couldn't sleep, so I guess it didn't really work. But yeah, and then over here we have my diplomas that I just keep above my vanity, and my jewelry. And then this is my closet. My closet is literally a hallway. Like, do you see how big? I don't know if you guys can comprehend how big this is. All right, so I kind of wanted to show you guys like my new purchases. I mentioned like my Bath and Body Works fragrances, and I also got new nail polish. I'm actually currently wearing Das Expensive 26 over a red right now, and I love this topper. I love kale polish, like I'm obsessed. But yeah, so this is where I keep my nail polish and perfumes. I know a lot of these aren't cruelty free. Why are high-end perfumes not cruelty free? Okay, I bought these before like a while ago because I'm a perfume, like I'm not one to like buy perfume regularly because they're so expensive, so I'll just like buy a few bottles and just like call it a day. But Jo Malone, thank goodness, is cruelty free. Yay. So yeah, I actually recently just hauled all of these Essence nail polishes because all these black tops are kale polish, and I love kale polish, but shipping is really expensive. And at Essence, you can actually buy $15 worth of nail polish, and they're all like $2 each, get free shipping. So I got all these new colors, which I'm really excited. And then the topper that I'm wearing right now is this one, Das Expensive. Let's see if we can show you in the light. So this is Das Expensive 26 by Kathleen Lights. I love the rose gold cap. And I was looking for a really pretty topper, and honestly, I feel like this looks good on everything. I actually recently wore this over, I just got this in the mail, and I did my nails a couple days ago, but I put it over 0.0 when I was wearing this a few days ago, and I liked that. So I'm excited about that. These two are the new fragrances that you guys may have seen on my Instagram. Pink Lily and Bamboo. This is perfect for spring. I love this so much. And Bath and Body Works At the Beach, which is perfect for summer. I really, really, really recommend. Yeah, I kind of wanted to take this time to tell you guys a little bit about Maple. I know you guys have seen her on my channel before, but honestly, when we got Maple, it was something that was such like a spontaneous decision because I had always wanted a dog, especially when I moved out on my own. And I used to work at a company that made high-end dog products, and you know, we really believed in adopting, not shopping. Obviously, what you do with your pets, how you obtain your pets is obviously, it's obviously at your discretion. I'm never going to judge you for your decision, but personally for me, I will only adopt dogs, like for as long as I live. I will only rescue dogs just because I know the facts and the statistics about how many get euthanized every year. And Maple was actually next on the kill list at a high kill shelter before the Nevada SPCA, Society for the Prevention of Cruelty for Animals, came and rescued her because they're like a no-kill shelter. And they were going to put her down simply for the fact that the shelter was overcrowded, and she didn't even have behavioral issues. Like, her last family basically surrendered her because they couldn't take her with them. Like, they were moving, I guess, across the country or wherever, and they couldn't take her. So, you know, she was a perfectly fine dog and the most well-behaved, obedient dog. I go to work for 10 hours a day. She doesn't have any accidents in the house. I don't have to crate her. She is so sweet. I don't have to walk her on a leash, and she is just so sweet and obedient. And I think rescue dogs especially have that mentality where they're just so grateful. They know that truly you have saved their lives. It's just been the most rewarding situation. And before we got her, her first name was Yuri, I guess by her other owners, and then it became Demi, and now it's Maple, aka Mrs. Butterworth. Come here. And she is just so sweet, and she's just such a love bug. Even her groomer's like, Maple has so much love to give. There's boogers running down my face. And I completely agree. She just loves to play, and she's just the sweetest thing on earth. And also, she's got a really mean bark, and she will come for you if she thinks that you have bad intentions, or she sees that you have bad intentions. She wants to play right now. And I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of like this random laid back chill video of my apartment and my dog and some new purchases I bought. Leave me a comment down below anything about you, random or not, and I would love to know because I'd love to just kind of get to know you guys a little bit better as well. But yeah, I plan on doing more of these types of videos in the future. As I've said, I've always wanted my channel to be more than just makeup, you know, so I hope this kind of was a nice little break from that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!